main elements you'll need is power cable. This is the HDMI cable. These are the mouse and the keyboard that connects. The main element we'll need are these ports over here, the GPIO ports. Setting up the sensor node for the Raspberry Pi. This will read digital. This is the sensor that will be placed in the soil, which is connected to a converter, and we have cables that will be placed on the digital, the ground, and the voltage pins. These cables are then connected to the Raspberry Pi. This is the voltage, ground, and the digital pin. Setting up the Arduino Nano. The USB port, mini USB port, will be connected to the Raspberry Pi through one of its USB ports. This will supply the Arduino Nano with power. The sensor setup for the Arduino Nano is the same as for the Raspberry Pi. The only difference is on the converter, a wire will be placed on the analog pin and not the digital. The jumper cables are then placed. This is the 3 volt to provide the sensor with power. This is the analog reading pin and the ground pin. The green light will be activated when there is detection of water from the sensor. This is the code that will activate and record data from both the sensor nodes, both the analog and the digital. Once the code is run, this is an example of the readings that will be displayed.